In the 1960s and early 70s, turkey was something served at Thanksgiving in Wisconsin, not a wildlife species found on the landscape. Things are quite different today, though. It's now quite common to see a flock of wild turkeys such as this one foraging through the snow above a cut cornfield. The restoration of the native species is one of the state's top wildlife management success stories. It began in 1976 when Wisconsin traded 135 of its ruffled grouse for 45 Missouri wild turkeys. The turkeys were released in Vernon County, just a few miles north of Bappy. A giant turkey statue made of beer and pop cans marks the spot where the turkeys were first released. Unlike previous attempts, this one took hold and the flock began to grow. 7 years later, Wisconsin held its first spring turkey hunt of the modern era. Although the 1,200 hunters harvested only 182 turkeys that first year, the sport caught on. Today, more than 130,000 hunters harvest about 40,000 birds each year in Wisconsin. Only deer hunting is more popular. Wild turkeys are extremely wary and skittish, so the thrill of the hunt is in the calling of the male, or jake, to the camouflaged blind. This is done by imitating the sound of an available female with one of several styles of turkey call. The calling is something of an art form, with various changes in the pitch and rhythm, and the conversation between the hunter and the answering jake going on for hours sometimes before the jake is finally lured in. As the sun begins to set, the flock that was foraging in the cut cornfield can be seen heading slowly for the safety of the nearby woods. But they'll be back in the cornfield again on the following day.
Bappy is a premier sensor manufacturer for the HVAC industry, including sensors for temperature, humidity, pressure, air quality, and wireless applications. For more information, call 608-735-4800 or visit us online at www.bappyhvac.com.